Hi guys, let's learn how to make thumbnails for your video for free and in 2 minutes. You can find hundreds of thumbnails already made for you. You can just edit text or download and use for your videos. High resolution thumbnails. And get them for less than 2 minutes for free.
Hi, this is Hamza Shamsi, and you're watching Info World and Technology. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon to get latest video.
You can go to snappa.com, I'll give a link in the description too. Sign in there and you get 5 monthly free YouTube thumbnails. You can also find high resolution pictures for your Facebook page, cover pictures and all, but we will talk about YouTube today. So you can also find cover photo for your YouTube channel or profile picture for your channel or YouTube thumbnail. You may find a picture from the Snappa library and click to edit it, whichever suits you. Okay, now I choose this picture. It has a Canadian background and flag. For example, if I'm an immigration consultant and I made a video on Canadian immigration, this picture is a perfect fit. I will change the text to Canadian immigration and I will add the effect which is catching, like no funds, no degree. Sorry. Canadian citizenship. And now I'm gonna change the subheading, which is Vlog 2. No degree. No funds. I can edit this as much as I like. I can move pictures, I can move text, so it fits perfectly for what I'm looking for. Let's learn how. You have to just click on anything you want to move and drag the mouse. See, it's easy. And it's done as easy as you like. Now let's make a thumbnail for this video which I'm making right now. I'll look for a thumbnail which completely fits my topic. Here it is, because it has 3 pictures. Like thumbnail has a great highlighted white borders to the pictures and the text just how I like it. Now I will edit the text myself. I will leave how to, and now I will erase rest of the text. Now how to make thumbnails in 2 minutes. Now I can relocate the text where I want to. And it's done. It's really very easy. I can also add my pictures if I want to. I just need to upload them from my computer. You will click on graphics. Then you will click on upload photo and you can upload any photo you want to. So it's uploading. It does takes time. Now you will also find thousands of pictures icons from Snappa gallery. Also you can just type what you need. Remember, you just can't drag pictures in Snappa to project. You can also search for icons. You have to double click on the picture you want. I don't want this icon, so I will delete it. Now let's check the picture I uploaded. It's taking some time, maybe my internet is slow. I'll add some more pictures. As pictures are uploading, let's check out another website. You can also use a blank template in Snappa and make a thumbnail all by yourself, choosing a background, choosing text and pictures that needs to be added. See. Now I will choose a background like, if my topic of the video is about the world, I will search world in the background, and I will find all the pictures related to it. Now if I want this globe to be my background, I'll double click on it, and it will be added as my background picture. I can search for anything at all, and I will get related pictures. I can also add more pictures to my template and can also add multiple pictures. I can search for icons too if I don't want pictures, instead I need icons for my thumbnail. I can rotate them. I can resize them. I can do whatever I want. I can add effects to it. I can also lesser the opacity. I can add text, resize it, change color if I want to, add as much text as I need for my thumbnail, move the text where it needs to be. I'm just doing this to explain you guys. Now let's check the pictures I added before. Yes, one picture is here. I'll double click and add it to my template. Now I can resize the picture, rotate the picture if needed, and if doesn't look good, I can also delete it. Now I think this picture is perfect thumbnail for my video. What I will do is, I will click on download, and I will download the picture as high resolution PNG picture. And here it is, you can open it and see. Like I'll show you guys. Sorry for the little delays that are being caused. And here you go. See, this is a high resolution thumbnail which I made for my video in less than 2 minutes, so it's easy, it's quick to use it. It's perfect. Do give a like if the video is helpful. Do subscribe the channel for more videos like this. And really, when you guys subscribe to the channel, like or comment, it feels great, it motivates me to work even harder for you guys. So you guys need to support us by liking the video, subscribing the channel, hitting the bell icon, and sharing it with your friends.